Everyone wanted to know how they can manage their time while writing their exam papers, as many students can't complete their paper in the given time. Hence, I, your host Swastiki Joshi and Letstute, are here with the solution to all your problems. I'm going to be sharing some tips with you on how you can manage your time while writing your board exam papers. Hence, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, let's say that your question paper is of 80 marks with 4 sections in it, and you have been given only 3 hours, that are 180 minutes to complete the whole paper. Section A consists of objectives or one-line answer type questions carrying 1 mark each. Your answers should be short and concise. As they are objectives, do not waste much time there. Just 10 to 20 minutes is enough for 10 to 15 questions. Most importantly, try to avoid any kind of spelling mistakes in these 1 mark questions. For multiple choice questions, write answer in complete sentences. For example, the change in the color of the moist litmus paper in the given setup is due to the presence of H plus in the solution. That are option C, only 3. If you write any definition, then don't forget to add one example for that. If in case you don't know the answer, then just leave that question for that time and then revisit the question at the end. Section B consists of very short questions which carry 2 to 3 marks each. Answers to these questions should be in the range of 30 to 50 words or in 3 to 4 lines. For this type of question, do not spend more than 7 to 8 minutes on one question. Draw the diagrams wherever and whenever needed and label them correctly. Stick to the keywords of the question, which means if the question is about what, then only answer for what, not for why, how, etc. If you are writing answers in points for 3 marks questions, then 4 to 5 points are enough for it. If the question is about the difference between, then write it in a tabular format with 4 to 5 points in each section. Section C consists of long answer type questions carrying 4 to 5 marks each. Answers to these questions should be in the range of 70 to 100 words, or you should write a minimum of 5 points in answers of 6 to 7 lines. If there are 3 or 4 questions in it, you have to solve them in just 60 to 70 minutes, not more than that. If you are writing answers in paragraph format, then you should break the paragraph wherever possible and elaborate on answers in detail. Also, remember to underline the important points and the keywords. Examples, diagrams and chemical equations are a must in 4 to 5 marks questions. Whenever you write answers in pointer format, add the introduction part before it. Section D consists of source-based or case-based units of assessment of 5 marks with subparts. Answers to these questions should be in the range of 100 to 120 words. If there are 2 questions for each of 5 marks, then you have to spend 40 minutes, which means 20 minutes on each case-based question. Suppose this is the case-based question, then you have to answer this question in this format. Write your answers in a descriptive and clean format. Now, summarizing all this, you can manage time in such a way. Hope you like this information, and if you have any other tips or strategies for writing the science paper, let us and your fellow students know in the comment section below. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time, and until then, keep learning and keep growing with Letstute.